pleasure to welcome you all to our Junior School Annual Day celebration, Pustak Lok, for classes 1, 2 and 3. I am Sanjana and I am your host for this evening. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you all that we have 100% student participation this year. Our theme for this year is Pustak Lok. Step into a world of stories where every dance tells a tale, every song paints a scene, and every performance turns a page. We believe that stories have the power to teach, to heal, to inspire, and to unite. From magical fairy tales to ancient mythology, from talking animals to brave little heroes, we have it all here today. You'll see them all come alive on this very stage. So sit back, open your minds, and step with us into Pustak Lok, a land where every child becomes a storyteller and every moment is a new chapter. Let the stories begin. Let us now begin our annual day celebration with an invocation song, a prayer in melody dedicated to Lord Ganesha and Ma Saraswati. May their blessings guide us through every step of this morning and beyond. We request you all to join your hands and open your hearts as our students present this prayer.
एकदन्तं विनायकं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननं गणाधिपम् उमासुतं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननं एकदन्तं विनायकं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननं गणाधिपम् उमासुतं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननं एकदन्तं विनायकं जय जय देवी दयालहरी जननी सरस्वती पालय मां अमले कमलासन सहिते अद्भुत चरिते पालय मां जय जय देवी दयालहरी जननी सरस्वती पालय मां अमले कमलासन सहिते अद्भुत चरिते पालय मां जय जय देवी दयालहरी जय जय देवी दयालहरी
Thank you, dear students, for the melodious rendition. Ladies and gentlemen, as we embark on this memorable morning, we continue the program with a time-honored tradition that signifies the trump of light over darkness and the journey of enlightenment. Let us illuminate our hearts as we embark on today's journey. Let us dispel the darkness and welcome the light and knowledge. I request our principal ma'am to escort our honorable chief guest ma'am to light the lamp. I also request our chairman sir and his team of office bearers to join them.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः हो दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः हो दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्राश्च मति स्वच्छामि मे सदा शुभं कुरु त्वं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. With this lamp lighting, I pray to God that our school touches new heights of success and the students here go a long way in their lives and illuminate the name of the school. I would now like to call Harshit Narayana S. of class 10B, Captain, Vaswani House, to formally address the gathering.
I quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge and knowledge makes you great. Unquote. Warm greetings to each and everyone present here this lovely morning. We are truly privileged to have a distinguished personality amongst us as our chief guest, Srimati Sudha Belavadi ma'am, who is someone who adds immense value to our event. Esteemed Chairman Sir, office bearers of both institutions, honorable members of the Managing Committee, Governing Council, executives of the Sindhi Group of Educational Institutions, special invitees, esteemed teachers, cherished students, and our esteemed guests of the day, our dear parents. I, Harshit Narayana S., Captain of Vaswani House, deem it my privilege and honor to welcome you all to our Junior Annual Cultural Meet for the academic year 2025-26. Pustak Lok, a world of books. Books, in a world filled with screens and scrolls, books remind us to pause, reflect, and imagine. As we celebrate Pustak Lok, we celebrate the magic of words that shape our minds and mold our character. I quote Emily Dickinson, "There is no frigate like a book to take us lands away. Unquote. This morning, our young stars shall be those frigates sailing through oceans of imagination, creativity, and expression. We are deeply honored to have amongst us an illustrious guest whose life beautifully echoes the theme of our celebration, a life rich with stories, character, and art in motion. The graceful and versatile Srimati Sudha Belavadi ma'am. A distinguished actor, producer, and a theatre personality, ma'am is a true luminary in Indian theatre and cinema. Born to the legendary Srimati Bhargavi Narayan and Makeup Nani, she was nurtured in an environment where art was a way of life. A graduate in psychology, sociology, and economics from National College, Bengaluru, and a postgraduate diploma holder in mass communication from IIMC New Delhi. She has graced every field she entered, from advertising and branding to theatre and cinema. Her performances in masterpieces like Tahi Saheba, Matadana, Paris Pranaya, Mungaru Male, and Galipata have etched a permanent place in our hearts. From the stage to the screen, her presence breathes life into every role, a reflection of her depth, discipline, and dedication to her craft. I quote Maya Angelou, "You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have." Unquote. Dear ma'am, your life is a testament to this truth, a living book of inspiration to every dreamer in this auditorium today. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for gracing our celebration with your presence. May I now request our chairman, Shri Arun Rajani sir, to felicitate the esteemed chief guest. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Our journey of success stands tall because of our visionary management. Our president, Shri Sanjeev Atmaram sir, chairman, Shri Arun Rajani sir, honorary secretary, Shri Naveen Nichani sir, honorary treasurer, Shri Vikram M. Talreja sir, and honorary joint secretary, Shri Nithin Kandari sir. Your guidance and generosity remind us that leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. Unquote, John F. Kennedy. A special welcome to our guiding lights, Mrs. Alpana Kala ma'am, principal, vice principals, Mrs. Maitrey Suresh ma'am, and Mrs. Kashish Valecha ma'am. Thank you for leading us with vision and grace. A heartfelt welcome to our dear parents whose faith and support light our path to excellence, and to our beloved teachers and administrative staff who nurture curiosity and discipline with unwavering care. As our young stars step onto the stage, let us open our minds and hearts to the wonder of stories they will unfold. Each act is a chapter, each performance a page from the book of inspiration. So turn the page and let the magic begin. Signing off for now, this is Harshit Narayana S. Sit back, relax, and immerse yourself into the wonderful world of Pustak Lok. Thank you, and let the celebrations begin.
Thank you, Harshit. Ladies and gentlemen, as we continue with our annual day celebration, it is now time to present our school report for the academic year. This report provides a comprehensive overview of our school's achievements, progress, and highlights from the moments gone by. To share these insights and celebrate our collective success, I invite our Vice Principal Ma'am Mrs. Kashish S. Walecha to come forward and present the school report.
I quote Eleanor Roosevelt, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Unquote. Namaste and a very warm welcome to everyone. It gives me immense pride and joy to present before you the school report for the academic year 2025-26. This report encapsulates the wide range of activities, achievements, and milestones accomplished by our talented students and dedicated staff. The school is well supported by our dynamic president, Shri Sanjeev Atmaram, his team of office bearers, principal, and 2 vice principals. A team of 77 dedicated teaching staff, 10 administrative staff, and 14 support staff work in perfect harmony with the management and executives to ensure smooth and effective functioning of the school. Class 10 results were declared on 13th May 2025 and brought great pride to the school. We have secured 100% results, 70 students secured distinction, 102 students passed with first class and 3 with second class. The school toppers are Amrita Balaji has secured the first place with 97.17%. In the second place, we have Manya S. Shah who has secured 96.33%. And in the third place, we have Pranav S. Maya who has secured 95.83%. Subject-wise toppers are Sahodaya School Complex organized felicitation ceremony on Saturday, 21st June at Sindhi High School, Hebbal for the AISSE and AISSCE subject toppers. 2 students scored a perfect 100 in Sanskrit and 1 student in science, each receiving a certificate and cash award of rupees 1500. Our school principal received them on the behalf of the students. We welcome the students of class 8 to 10 on Monday, 22nd May, class 1 and 7 LKG and UKG on Monday, 2nd June, and nursery on Thursday, 5th June. I quote Winston Churchill, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give." Sindhi Seva Samiti and its educational institutions are growing year after year by leaps and bounds. Freeships and scholarships have been given to the deserving students. In the year 25-26, 145 students have been granted scholarship to the tune of 65,60,000. An orientation program was held for the parents and students of class 9 and 10 on 31st May 2025. We welcomed the parents and assured them of the school's commitment in ensuring their child's holistic development. Principal Ms. Alpana Kala threw light on the CBSE's scheme of assessment for the year. Parent orientation programs were conducted for various classes. Here's a peek into the same. Teacher training and capacity building workshops are conducted regularly to keep educators abreast with current pedagogical advancements. A joint teachers' meeting between both branches ensured coordinated lesson planning, smooth execution of activities, and effective assessment strategies. In our first, the administrative and support staff also attended workshops focusing on institutional betterment and professional development. Mother tongue binds one to his or her culture. Sindhi spoken classes commenced for the year in July. Students of class 1 to 9 attend the same. Here's a look into all the various programs and activities that keep our students constructively engaged. The new initiatives that have been implemented are as follows. Satyanarayan Puja was performed to make an auspicious beginning and to seek blessings of the Lord for smooth functioning of the institution. World Environment Day was observed at Sindhi High School, KK Road with enthusiasm. Our students presented a thought-provoking Nukkad Natak highlighting pressing environmental issues and promoting sustainable practices. The investiture for the academic session 2025-26 was held on Wednesday, 18th June 2025. The event was presided over by the principal, Ms. Alpana Kala. Newly appointed student leaders took an oath to uphold integrity, responsibility, and teamwork. Some other events that kept our students busy were was celebrated with warmth and joy at school. The event brought students and fathers together for a meaningful celebration of love and gratitude. Students took part in a letter writing activity, penning heartfelt messages to their fathers, all filled with love. It was a proud moment for the school as we were the only school to be selected from South India for this collaboration. In a first, Sindhi High School hosted a lively social science exhibition showcasing students' creativity and knowledge through models, charts, and enactments on history, geography, and civics. Innovative presentations on cultural heritage, sustainable development, and global issues were presented, making the event both educational and awe-inspiring. We hosted our first Model United Nations, MUN, on 20th and 21st August 2025, a landmark event that empowered students of various schools to step into the roles of global delegates. Outstanding performances were honored with attractive awards. CCA, extracurricular activities, club activities, hobby classes play a vital role in the holistic development of students. Public speaking, life skills, fitness, dance, art and craft, and club activities are additional activities that keep our students constructively engaged and help them in unleashing their creativity. Teachers and parents are equal stakeholders in the child's growth. PTMs are conducted to discuss about the child's academic progress and behavior. Here's an insight into the accolades that have been won by our staff and students. The school has been given a new look with exterior elevation. The aesthetic appeal combined with its utility make it a memorable experience for our students and parents. New smart furniture has been introduced for grade 7. All students are unique and learn at different speeds. A resource room with a special educator is a feature to give additional support to the students who need it at the class 1 to 3 levels. Our school regularly conducts counseling sessions for parents, teachers, and students, led by our in-house counselor, Miss Usha Tia, in collaboration with Miss Henna Kalro and Miss Meera Chabria. Books for class 1, 2, and 3 are designed by our teachers. A 360-degree holistic progress card has been developed for grade 1 in order to aid assessment of competency-based learning and teaching by making assessments more comprehensive and holistic. The upcoming events for the year are I am grateful to the benevolent management headed by our President Shri Sanjeev Atmaram, Chairman Shri Arun Rajani and his team of office bearers, Principal Mrs. Alpana Kala for giving me this opportunity. Thanks are due to all my colleagues, admin staff, support staff and parents for their unstinting support. My special appreciation to System Admin Mr. Yoganand and Ms. Vandana for the technical support. I leave you with a thought-provoking quote, dear parents. Behind every young child who believes in himself is a parent who believed first. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the informative insight into the school activities. Winners don't give up, but fight until they exhaust all their might. Winners sometimes fail, but bounce back in style. Ladies and gentlemen, the prestigious trophies are displayed and will be presented to the awardees at the Senior Annual Day. Announcing the winners of our prestigious rolling trophies 2024-2025. The Best All-Rounder Trophy for Juniors, sponsored by Shri Madan Daulat Ram, goes to K.A. Anish Hebar, currently studying in class 6B. The Best All-Rounder Trophy for Seniors, sponsored by late Shri Lalchand L. Nagpal, goes to G. Bhargav Srinivasan, class 10, batch 24-25. Ladies and gentlemen, the two all-rounders will be given a take-home trophy for keepsake along with cash prize. The rolling trophy for the best house in academics, sponsored by Shri Sanjay Baldev Hasija, goes to Vishweshwarya House. The rolling trophy for the best house in CCA, sponsored by Shri Shri Chand Kukreja, goes to Vishweshwarya House. The rolling trophy for the best house for bulletin board, sponsored by Sindhi Seva Samiti, goes to Patel House. Congratulations to all the winners. May I now request our Honorary Secretary, Shri Naveen Nichani sir, to address the gathering.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Srimati Sudha, Principal Ma'am, Alpana Ma'am, Principal Alpana, Vice Principals Kashish Ma'am and Maitri Ma'am, Chairman Arun, my colleague office bearers Nitin, a very good morning to you all. A very warm welcome to all the wonderful parents gathered here today. It's such a joy to see so many happy faces. Our little children are at a magical age, curious, innocent, and full of surprise. Every day they remind us how to laugh freely, ask endless questions, and find joy in the smallest of things. Each child is unique with their own rhythm, imagination, and spark. And yet we parents often spend hours scrolling through our mobile reels for time pass, forgetting that the best real entertainment is right in front of us. Our little ones discovering life in their own adorable way. Parenting today feels like a full-time adventure, half love, half detective work. We spend 10 minutes finding a missing shoe only to realize it was in their foot all along. We tell them 5 more minutes of screen time, and somehow that turns into an hour for both of us. Parenting has its own funny moments too, like when we proudly pack healthy lunch boxes only to find they traded it for chips with their friends. Or when we say bedtime and suddenly they are full of deep philosophical questions, like why is the sky blue? And somehow they never lose energy, even when we run out of battery. But in all the chaos, the laughter and the tiny tantrums, these are the moments that makes childhood magical and parenthood unforgettable. At this stage, learning is about more than books. It's about colors, sharing, forging friendships, and the confidence to say, I can do it. Together, parents and teachers, we shape these precious early years. Thank you, dear parents, for your trust, your patience, and your endless love. Your encouragement at home reflects in their smiles and sparkling eyes in the school. Let's continue to nurture them with love, laughter, and learning, because today's little hands will soon shape tomorrow's world. Thank you and enjoy the program.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words of wisdom. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mrs. Sudha Belwadi ma'am, as she addresses the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I've been asked to speak in English because a lot of people may not know Kannada here, but I request you all to learn Kannada. Happy Deepavali in advance, and looking at all the kids and what all they're doing, I'm reminded of my childhood. Being an artist, we always have a script to talk with, but today, without a script, I'm supposed to address you all. So whatever little thoughts I have, I'll share it with you. Looking at the kids, I'm reminded of my childhood and how vibrant it was. Because my parents, being artists, and also for them art was not like theatre was not a profession, it was a hobby. Both were working. My mother was working as a manager in ESI Corporation. My father was general manager sales in TTK, but their hobby was theatre. So our doors were always open to new ideas, new people, new experiences. So as children, we grew up looking at all these new people, and art has the power to transcend caste, creed, and status. So we didn't know what caste was, what affluence was, what status was. So that was the power of art. Today, the kids, when they go to school, they just see traffic jams. You open the door, you see a traffic jam. You open the window, you see crowded places. Not only outside, but also inside, because they're open to mobiles, internet, and their mind is bombarded with images, messages, and a whole lot of things. So how do we declutter our minds, especially for children? Today, the whole concept of Pustak Lok, I'm very happy that the school is celebrating this, because books need to be celebrated. And books, when you pick up a book, you kind of get transported to another world. You cross mountains, you cross seas, you kind of soar into the stars, just sitting where you are, just holding a book. I urge all parents to just keep holding a book. Even if you're not reading, please hold a book, because kids do emulate parents, and that should become a habit. And when we go to a resort, because we cannot take the pressure of a city, the stress that it gives us, we take a holiday or two and go to a resort. But that is a physical experience. What about the mind? Mind also needs a resort. So where is the resort? The resort is in the books, in music, in painting, in writing. So please put your kids through all this. Music, when I was a kid, we used to have a class every week. I think on Thursdays, there used to be a music class. An old lady used to teach us Purandaradasa's padas, vachanas, and so many other songs. We used to write the lyrics, and she used to put a tune to that. And the whole class used to sing. So much joy was there. I don't know whether schools are following this. I urge the school to have a music class in every week, at least for an hour, so that the kids can relax and the mind can relax too. Because music not only teaches language, it also teaches a whole lot of things. Because in future, when you are stressed out, the resort is, or the respite that you get from music is unbelievable. I thank my mother because she put me through music, and when I was at school, both me and my sisters were asked to go to Carnatic classical classes, and we used to kind of, not like it so much. But today, I thank her for putting me through it, because whenever I feel stressed or pressurized, I listen to music or I sing myself. So, a word of advice. I mean, I don't know whether I can really advise, but I thought I want to share with all the parents. Please put your children through some form of art, because world can be a better place for them and for the rest of us, because pressure is not going to reduce in future. It's just going to mount more and more. And what art can do to your heart is unbelievable. So this is a little thought that I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for inviting me here for such a beautiful morning, and I wish all of you all the very best. Thank you very much, and happy Deepavali in advance.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words of wisdom. Can we have a big round of applause? May I now request our Secretary, sir, to present a memento to our chief guest as a token of gratitude. I also request our Joint Secretary, sir, to present a sapling to our chief guest. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It is time to acknowledge all those who have contributed in making this show possible. May I now call upon Yuvraj Mehta, Class 9B, Vice Captain, Vaswani House, to present the formal vote of thanks.
I quote, thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Thankfulness may consist merely of words. Gratitude is shown in acts. Unquote. Henry Frederick Amiel. Pleasant morning to each one present here. Today, as we celebrate vibrant and colorful annual day themed Pustak Lok, I am filled with immense gratitude and joy. On behalf of my school, I, Yuvraj Mehta, Vaswani House Vice Captain, stand before you with utmost gratitude to extend my sincere vote of thanks to all those who have contributed to making this cultural event a resounding success. An event of such splendor is never the result of chance. It blossoms from an atmosphere of joy, a spirit of collaboration, and the unwavering dedication of every individual involved. Let us all remember, the only thing that separates the great from the good is not talent alone, but the relentless determination and work ethic that fuels excellence. It is with immense respect and admiration that I convey my warm regards to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Sudha Bellawadi ma'am. Ma'am, we are truly honored by your gracious presence today. Your decision to spare time from your demanding schedule to join us adds immense joy and prestige to this occasion. Your journey and achievements stand as a beacon of inspiration to each one of us gathered here. Thank you for being a guiding light and a source of motivation. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our insightful management committee headed by our esteemed president, Sri Sanjeev Atmaram sir, and our dedicated chairman, Sri Arun Rajani sir, along with his exceptional team of office bearers of Sindhi Group of Educational Institutions, honorable members of managing committee and members of governing council, esteemed executives of both the institutions. Thanks are due to teachers, admin staff, technical staff, my fellow volunteers for their unwavering support in making today's event stupendously successful. Thank you sirs and ma'am for graciously sparing your valuable time from your busy schedules to be with us. Your presence and guidance have been truly inspiring and deeply appreciated. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal, Mrs. Alpana Kala ma'am, and our vice principals, Mrs. Maitri Suresh ma'am and Mrs. Kashish Valecha ma'am, for leading us on the path of excellence and nurturing us with discipline, dedication, and constant encouragement. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guests, parents, and well-wishers for gracing this occasion with your presence and unwavering support and constant fortitude, which has been the driving force behind the success of this event. A special word of appreciation goes to our scouts and guides and the school band for their energetic and disciplined participation. I also wish to express my gratitude to our support staff and handyman staff who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth and seamless functioning of our school. Lastly, to my juniors, the stars of this morning, your performances will be a testament to the immense potential that resides within each of you. Remember, the colors of your talents are boundless, just like the rainbow. Let your creativity shine, your passion soar, and your spirit remain unshaken. Keep pushing your boundaries, keep dreaming bigger, and always aim for the skies because that's where you belong. We believe in you. Go out there and dazzle the world. As we close today's celebration, let's remember to keep reading, keep learning, and keep growing because every book opens a new door of adventure. Thank you once again and have a joyful day ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to embark on a mesmerizing journey of dance and music which will leave you spellbound. So chill, cheer, inspire, and get inspired. May the enchantment surrounding you create happy memories and magical moments for all. Signing off for now, this is Yuvraj Mehta. May the Deepavali light that burns spread positivity and happiness all around. Here's wishing you all a Shubh Diwali.
Ladies and gentlemen, Please join me in welcoming our past President, Shri Madhu Motiram Sir, our Honorary Treasurer, Shri Vikram Talreja Sir, our Honorary Joint Secretary, Shri Vikram Talreja Sir, our Honorary Joint Secretary, Shri Nitin Kandhari Sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of the formal segment of today's program. Kindly gear up for the cultural program. As we begin this joyous celebration of our annual day, let's invoke the divine blessings of the Almighty through the universal language of dance. Please join me in welcoming our students to present a mesmerizing invocation dance, seeking the blessings of Lord Ganesha for a wonderful year ahead. Over to the dancers.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि सर्वराजाय गन्धाय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने गुणवते गणपतये एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
dear students, for the captivating dance performance. Your performance was full of grace and energy. Can we have a big round of applause for our students? The magic of books. Step inside the library where stories come alive. With every page you open, adventure starts to thrive. There's magic in the letters and wonder in each line. A world of dreams and secrets that sparkle and will shine. From castles tall to oceans deep, to stars that light the night. Books take you on a journey with heroes brave and bright. So let us read with eager hearts and let our minds take flight, for in the magic of books our future shines so bright. Two stars that light the night, books take you on a journey with heroes brave and bright. So let us read with eager hearts and let our minds shine, for in the magic of books our future shines so bright. We have an exciting lineup of performances today, showcasing the hard work, creativity, and enthusiasm of our young stars. From captivating, melodious songs to inspiring speeches and drama, we have got it all. Ladies and gentlemen, let's sit back and enjoy.
Three little friends sit inside the library. The big bell rings for home time. But our three readers don't hear it at all. They are lost in the world of books. They open a story about fairy tales and suddenly something magical begins. The pages glow, the words jump out. And look! Who is that in the glittering gown? It's Cinderella! She dropped her glass slipper. And look, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. And who's this? The little shoemaker, helped by the tiny elves who stitch shoes through the night. Yes, castles, glass slippers, and laughter fills the air.
Look upon this land, on the home we come to know, where magic and light fill the air. Where we plant a tender seed, trusting something good will grow. A kingdom for the free and the fair.
Deep within the earth, there are wonders to be found in the fields and the woods that they bear. With a treasure trove of gems hidden just below the ground, a beautiful abundance we share. From the mountain top to the deepest heights, in the golden sky, how the kingdom shines. And we give to this land with a generous hand, and the bounty will flow where the good things go. Hello?
I'm sleepy.
Yeah, we know! And the more we talk, the less we walk. Let's go! I hope. Deep in the dark, our magical mark has back when the sparkles starts to shine. There's gems in the land, so hold up your hand as light so brightly fuels the mind. How quick, intertwine, and dig for a diamond. Get your rear in gear.
All is fair when you wear the crown. So who would dare stand in my way? Now beware, you let me down, 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 down. In the dungeon you stay. But if you get the deed, underneath done, I'll proceed. Second to none with no doubt. When I'm going out, mirror on the wall. Tell me who is fair? Who is fair? The odds not there. It's gonna be me that you declare. All is fair when you're the fairest
Wish and you will see her too.
We lead with open hearts and we live with open doors.
With love to protect and provide.
And we
Always keep in mind that what's mine is always yours. May goodness be our one true guide. From the mountain top to the deepest heights, in a golden sky, our kingdom shines, and we gather and give, as together we live, by the lessons we know. With the good things.
Oh, I don't have a dress or shoes or even a way to get there. Well, that's what I'm here for. Focus, focus, bibbity bobbity boo. Only the best for you, Cinderella. But remember, the magic will fade at midnight.
Celebrate the magic.
help you out. Please don't worry. Alas, I have one piece of leather left. Don't worry, dear. We will pray to God. He will help us out. The shoes are already made. It's beautiful. Now we will sell it and make money.
It just keeps on getting better. Feel the music, every move you make. These are the moments we'll remember, and we won't let it change, not a single thing. We can make the whole world turn just for us. What we got is sunshine for days. Shake it up, let the music take you away. What we got me feeling this way. For the sunny day, hear the whole world say, I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm feeling the sun shines up the way. I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm feeling the sun shines up the way. Every time we come together, it don't matter when or where we are. We dance from here on till forever. Cause you're by my side, I'll be by your side. We can make the whole world turn just for us.
Thank you, Helps, for helping us. We will offer clothes, food and shoes to them.
Just for us. What we got is sunshine for days. Shake it up, let the music take you away. What we got me feeling this way. For the sunny day, hear the whole world say, I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm feeling the sun shines out the way. I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm feeling the sun shines out the way. We can make the whole world turn just for us. What we got is sunshine for days. Shake it up, let the music take you away. What we got me feeling this way. For the sunny day, hear the whole world say, I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm feeling the sun shines out the way. I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm feeling the sun shines out the way.
The children rubbed their eyes. Was that real or just a dream? But before they can think, another book falls open. A book on animals. The animals are no longer pictures on paper. They are real, right here Did you hear the roar? Is that a lion? Look, monkeys are swinging.
And look, the snake is hissing at us.
The library has turned into a jungle of stories.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು, ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು, ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು. ನಿಧಾನಿಸಿ ಯೋಚಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವು ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು. ನಿಧಾನಿಸಿ ಯೋಚಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವು ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು. ದೂರದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯಿತ್ತು. ಮುಂಗುಸಿಯೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾವಲು ಕಾಯ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಮನೆಯೊಡತಿ ಗಂಗಮ್ಮ, ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲವಳ ಕಂದಮ್ಮ. ಮುಂಗುಸಿಯಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೇರೇನು ಮಗುವಿನ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಮುಂಗುಸಿಯೊಡನೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂದನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಳುತ್ತಲಿದ್ದಳು ಗಂಗಮ್ಮ. ಮುಂದೇನಾಯಿತು ಕೇಳಮ್ಮ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಮುಗಿದಿರಲು, ಹೊಳೆಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿರಲು, ಕಂದನು ಇನ್ನು ಮಲಗಿರಲು ಮುಂಗುಸಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಗಿದಳು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಜೊತೆಯಿಲ್ಲ. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಬಳಿಯೇ ಕಾವಲಿರು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗದಿರು. ಗಂಗೆಯು ಹೊಳೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟಾಗ ಬೇಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಕರಿನಾಗ. ಸರಸರ ಹರಿಯಿತು ರಭಸದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿತು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುಂಗಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿತು ಹಾವನ್ನು, ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದನು. ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು ವೇಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಳಗ ನಡೆಯಿತು ರೋಷದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾವು ಜಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮುಂಗುಸಿ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಹರುಷದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾವಿನ ಪ್ರಾಣವ ಹೀರಿತ್ತು, ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತವು ಚಿನುಗಿತ್ತು. ಗಂಗೆಯು ನೀರನ್ನು ತರುತ್ತಿರಲು, ಕೈ ಬಳೆನಾದವು ಕೇಳಿಸಲು. ಮುಂಗುಸಿ ಬಾಗಿಲ ಬಳಿ ಬರಲು, ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತದ ಕಲೆಯಿರಲು. ಬೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತ ಗಂಗೆಯು ನೋಡಿದಳು, ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಕೊಂದಿದೆ ಇದು ಎಂದು. ಮುಂಗುಸಿಯನ್ನು ಚಚ್ಚಿದಳು, ಅಳುತ್ತ ಒಳಗೆ ಓಡಿದಳು. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಕಂದನು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದ, ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾವು ಸತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದುಡುಕಿದ ಬುದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಬಲಿಯಾಗಿ
ಮುಂಗುಸಿ ಕಥೆಯೂ ಮುಗಿದಿತ್ತು. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು, ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು, ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಬಹುದು. ನಿಧಾನಿಸಿ ಯೋಚಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವು ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು. ನಿಧಾನಿಸಿ ಯೋಚಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವು ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು.
Long, long ago, in a village of Palanpur, a man-child was born to a couple. Sher Khan comes to know about it and he wants to eat the man cub. When the man got to know, he took his child and escaped from the village. Still, Sher Khan found him and attacked him. The father tried many times to save the child but was not successful. He was killed by Sher Khan. The child later came to be named as Mowgli and was raised in the forest by the wolf family, Balu the bear and Bagheera the panther.
पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी,
अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की।
मोर गिलहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला सब सुनते हैं कान लगाकर। शेर खान जब बोले अपनी पूंछ उठाकर।
कालू काला बघीरा लेकिन दूर खड़ा है।
अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है। पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी,
अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की।
मोर गिलहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है।
ಮಧ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಮೆರೆಯುತ್ತಿಹ ಕರ್ನಾಟ ದೇಶವಿ ಇರುವ ಕಾಳಿಂಗನೆಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪರಿಯ ನಿಂತು ಬೇಳ್ವೆನು ಎಳೆಯ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಳಲನೂದುವ ಗೊಲ್ಲಗೌಡನು ಬಳದಿನಿಂದ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಿಗೆ ಕರೆದನು ಹರುಷದಿ ಗಂಗೆ ಬಾರೆ ಗೌರಿ ಬಾರೆ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಾರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ನೀನು ಬಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಗೊಲ್ಲನು ಕರೆದನು ಗೊಲ್ಲ ಕರೆದ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಕೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಸುಗಳು ಬಂದು ನಿಂತು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಸಿ ಹಾಲು ಕರೆಯಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿತು ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಭಗವಂತನೆಂದ ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿಯ ಕಥೆಯಿದು ಹಬ್ಬಿದ ಮಲೆ ಮಧ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಅರ್ಭುತನೆಂದೆಂಬ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರನು ಅಬ್ಬರಿಸಿ ಹಸಿ ಹಸಿದು ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಕಿಬ್ಬಿಯೊಳುತ್ತಾನಿದ್ದನು ಸಿಡಿದು ರೋಷದಿ ಮೊರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಹುಲಿ ಗುಡುಗುಡಿಸಿ ಹೋರಿಡುತ್ತ ಚಂಗನೆ ತುಡುಕಲೆರಗಿದ ರಭಸ ಕಂಜಿ ಚದರಿ ಹೋದುವು ಹಸುಗಳು ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಎಂಬ ಹಸುವು ತನ್ನ ಕಂದನ ನೆನೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮುನ್ನ ಹಾಲನು ಕೊಡುವೆನೆನುತ ಚಂದದೀತ ಬರುತ್ತಿರೆ ಹಿಂದೆನಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು ಎಂದು ಬೇಗನೆ ದುಷ್ಟ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರನು ಬಂದು ಬಳಸಿ ಅಡ್ಡಗಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಂದನ ಹುಲಿರಾಯನು ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಭಗವಂತನೆಂದ ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿಯ ಕಥೆಯಿದು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಗಲೆ ಬೀಳ ಹೊಯ್ವೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಸೀಳಿ ಬಿಡುವೆನು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕೋಪದಿ ಕೂಳ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರನು ಕೂಗಲು
ಒಂದು ಭಿನ್ನಹ ಹುಲಿಯ ಕೇಳು ಕಂದನಿರುವನು ದೊಡ್ಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಿ ಮೊಲೆಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಸೇರುವೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
ಹಸಿದ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೊಡವೆಯ ವಶವ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬಿಡಲು ನೀನು ನುಸುಳಿ ಹೋಗುವೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುವೆಯ ಹುಸಿಯ ನಾಡುವೆ ಎಂದಿತು ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಭಗವಂತನಿಂದ ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿಯ ಕಥೆಯಿದು
ಒಂದು ತಿನ್ನುವೆನೆಂಬ ಹುಲಿಗೆ ಚಂದದಿಂದ ಭಾಷೆಯಿತ್ತು ಕಂದ ನಿನ್ನನು ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗುವೆನೆಂದು ಬಂದೆನು ದೊಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಆರ ಮುನಿಯನು ಕುಡಿಯಲಮ್ಮ ಆರ ಸೇರಿ ಬದುಕಲಮ್ಮ ಆರ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಳಮ್ಮ ಆರು ನನಗೆ ಹಿತವರು ಅಮ್ಮಗಳಿರ ಅಕ್ಕಗಳಿರ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯೊಡ ಹುಟ್ಟುಗಳಿರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದಾನೆಂದು ಕಾಣಿರಿ ತಪ್ಪಲಿಯ ನೀ ಕರುವನು ತಬ್ಬಲಿಯು ನೀನಾದೆ ಮಗನೇ ಹೆಬ್ಬುಲಿಯ ಬಾಯನ್ನು ಹೋಗುವೆನು ಇಬ್ಬರಾರುಣ ತೀರಿತೆಂದು ತಬ್ಬಿಕೊಂಡಿತು ಕಂದನ
ಗೋವು ಕರುವನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಸಾವಕಾಶವ ಮಾಡದಂತೆ ಕವಿಯ ಬಾಗಿಲ ಸೇರಿ ನಿಂತು ತವಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲಿಗೆಂದಿತು
ಖಂಡವಿದೆಕೋ ಮಾಂಸವಿದೆಕೋ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆಯ ಬಿಸಿ ರಕ್ತವಿದೆಕೋ ಚಂಡ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರನೆ ನೀನಿದೆಲ್ಲವನುಂಡು ಸಂತಸದಿಂದಿರು
ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿಯ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ನೀರನ್ನು ಸುರಿಸಿ ನೊಂದು ಕನ್ನೆಗಿವಳನು ಕೊಂದು ತಿಂದರೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚನ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು ಎನ್ನ ಒಡ ಹುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕ ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೊಂದು ಏನ ಪಡೆವೆನು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಹುಲಿ ಹಾರಿ ನೆಗೆದು ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತು
ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಭಗವಂತನಿಂದ ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಇದು
ನಲಿದು ಕರುವಿಗೆ ಉಣ್ಣಿಸಿತು ಮೊಲೆಯ ಬೇಗದಿ ಚನ್ನಗೊಲ್ಲನ ಕರೆದು ತಾನು ಉನ್ನತಾದಿಂತೆಂದಿತು ಎನ್ನ ವಂಶದ ಗೋಗಳೊಳಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ವಂಶದ ಗೊಲ್ಲರೊಳಗೆ ಮುನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಭಜಿಸಿರೈ ಜೀವನು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಸಂಪದ ಭಾವಜಾಪಿತ ಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಜೀವನು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಸಂಪದ ಭಾವಜಾಪಿತ ಕೃಷ್ಣನು.
The children sit closer now, turning the pages of another book. This one filled with stories from long, long ago.
Do you hear that music? Someone is playing the flute.
Look, it's Krishna. Yes, little Krishna plays his flute, filling the library with joy. Here comes Lord Ganesha with his sweet modaks and wise smile. And look, here is Lord Ram holding his bow, reminding us of truth and courage. The children watch in wonder.
धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती. ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती. विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता. विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. मंगलमूर्ती मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. जो शरण तुला आला त्याचा उद्धार तू केला. जो शरण तुला आला त्याचा उद्धार तू केला. चला मिळून सारे बोला बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया. बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया. सृष्टी तुझीच रे देवा, दृष्टी तुझीच रे देवा. सृष्टी तुझीच रे देवा, दृष्टी तुझीच रे देवा. दुनिया तुझीच रे देवा. बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया. बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. हे ढम ढम ढमा ढमा वाज गजा ढोल, छन छन छनो छनाले जिमचा ताल. मोरया 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 रे मोरया मोरया मोरया. हे ढम ढम ढमा ढमा वाज गजा ढोल, छन छन छनो छनाले जिमचा ताल. दुःख हरता तू देव गजानन, तुला पाहता हरपन भान. हे शक्ती माझी रे तू देवा, भक्ती माझी रे तू देवा. शक्ती माझी रे तू देवा, भक्ती माझी रे तू देवा. दुनिया तुझीच रे देवा. बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया. बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया. देवा चराचरात तुझा निवास, रहसी भक्तांच्या तू आसपास. मोरया 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 रे मोरया मोरया मोरया. ओ देवा चराचरात तुझा निवास, रहसी भक्तांच्या तू आसपास पूजनाने तुझ्या श्री गणेशा शुभ कार्याची होई सुरुवात श्वास तुझाच रे देवा ध्यास तुझाच रे देवा श्वास तुझाच रे देवा ध्यास तुझाच रे देवा दुनिया तुझीच रे देवा बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया
वो है रंगीला, शेर छबीला, वो है नटखट, वो जमुना तट, ठेले लगाए, मुरली बजाए, कॉफियों के संग रास रचाए, मुरली बजे या रास रचे या शाम सलोना है।
जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर वाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर वाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही दुनिया से है वो अनजानी सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन हो किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन
नैनों में सांसों में मन में किसना हर पल है जीवन में जिसकी
वो राधा है
वो राधा है वो राधा है राधा है वो राधा है वो राधा है राधा है।
Radha on the dance floor, Radha likes to party, Radha likes to move that desi Radha body. Radha on the dance floor, Radha likes to party, Radha likes to move that desi Radha body.
पंखट पे आके सैया मरोड़े भैया
And everybody blames it on Radha.
छेड़े है हमका नैया बेरी कन्हैया
And everybody blames it on Radha.
होगा वो लाखों दिल का चोर हमका तो लगे बोर हुआ है ऐसे बावला जो कहता जाए
ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी ओ राधा तेरा छल्ला ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया ओ राधा तेरा झुमका ओ राधा तेरा ठुमका ओ पीछे
रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। ರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಹಾಡಿರೋ ರಾಮ ಬರುವನು, ಅವನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹನುಮನು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುವನು. ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿ ವಿಶ್ವವ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನು, ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಮ ಮಾದರಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು. ವೇದ ವೇದಾಂತ ಓಂಕಾರ, ರಾಮನಾಮ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚಾರ. ಹಾಡೋ ಹಾಡೋ ಜಯಕಾರ. ಓ ರಾಮನಾಮ ಹಾಡಿರೋ ರಾಮ ಬರುವನು, ಅವನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹನುಮನು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುವನು. ಗುರಿಯನೆಂದು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಬಾಣ, ಹನುಮಂತ ಸೀತಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣನೇ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಾತು, ಎಂಜಲನ್ನೇ ತಿಂದವನು ಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಸೊತು. ದಶ ದಿಶೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇವ ಮಹಾರಾಜ, ಯುಗ ಪುರುಷನೇ ಈ ಗುಣ ತೇಜ. ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಎಂದು ಬರೆದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಜನುಮಾನು ಶುಭಯೋಗ. ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದವರ ಆಧಾರ, ರಾಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪಗಳ ಪರಿಹಾರ. ಬಾರೋ ಹಾಕೋ ಜೈಕಾರ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಓ ರಾಮ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸತ್ತ ರಾವಣ, ಆಂಜನೇಯನಲ್ಲವೇ ಗೆದ್ದ ಕಾರಣ. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್.
And so, dear friends, remember, a book is like a magic lamp. Open it and a whole new world shines before your eyes.
Thank you, dear students, for such energizing and captivating performance. Can we have a big round of applause for our dear students? My dear students, your enthusiasm and talent has been lighting up our school. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep shining. As we close today's event, let's carry forward the joy and inspiration we've experienced. May we continue to explore the world of stories, embrace creativity, and support each other in our journey of learning. साथ मिलकर हम हंसे, साथ खेले खूब, कहानियों और गीतों में बंधे हैं धागे खूब. खुशियों को रखे सदा दिल में ही, फिर मिलेंगे हम अगले साल फिर से यही. Here's wishing you all a Shubh Deepavali. Thank you everyone for making this annual day truly special. Have a wonderful day. May I request you all to kindly rise for the national anthem.
सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Dear parents, kindly be seated. We require cooperation during the dispersal. Kindly be seated. Thank you.